When I got here and I saw all the trees and all the greenery, no massive high-rise buildings, just a certain height, very well designed. It's like a little village. I love wandering around it during the day. I spend a lot of time in the library, nice, cool, watching the students there studying very, very hard. And it's really very beautiful to see the place at night. I think the facilities are top, really, really world class. And to have an institution of learning such as this, a prestigious one such as this, in an environment such as this, is really unique. Ideal place to study, I think. I think the students here are very lucky. Well, I'd like to say this, it's no news that writers are not necessarily born. You teach yourself how to write generally. Some of the best writers we've ever had, Nobel Prize winners, you should say, for literature, left school at 14 years of age, and they're some of the world's best authors. The secret to writing, as any author will tell you, is rewriting, not necessarily writing. They will rewrite, as journalists do, 50, 60 times the first paragraph of maybe 20 words, and it still won't be right. That's what we spend our time doing, rewriting. So the secret, if it is a secret, is simply to read the sort of material that you want to write. Learn how to construct. Put it down, no matter how bad it looks. People always are afraid to put it down because they think it's rubbish. Put it down. It won't be rubbish when you do it the first time. It'll be less rubbish the second time. And when you've done it 40 times, it'll be near perfect. So rewrite. Above all, rewrite.